Hey, Ox guys, especially those born in 1973, 1985, 1997, and 2009. This one's for you. I know you have been working hard. You probably feel like the reliable old ox doing the most work, but the rewards just don't feel as big as others. And sometimes, out of politeness, you end up losing money, right? Well, 2026 has big lessons for you. Set boundaries and add value.
Your opportunities are not in making tons of new connections. They are more likely in nurturing the relationships with those who truly value what you bring to the table.
So, next year, it's time to politely but firmly say no to those draining and one-sided relationships or collaborations. Save your energy for what truly matters. Invest in your core skills. Get that hard certification or turn your service into a premium product. Also,
Try adding small rituals that help you stay focused. For example, a burgundy notebook or a heavier ceramic pen holder on your desk.
They give you courage and keep you grounded.
the ox strength lies in consistent effort. In 2026, put your sweat into the oil that's truly worth it, and you will see the most abundant rewards ever.